welcome back. If you haven't seen my last video, I mentioned that I would be back and I will be showing you guys some new wigs that I found on Amazon, similar to the last one that I reviewed, except for these ones have brown lace. And this is actually one of the wigs. I'm not going to review this one today. I've been wearing this one for about a week now and it's kind of time to change it up. I mean, it still looks good like after a week, but it's been a week. It's time to change it up. Oh, and this one will be linked in my Amazon storefront just in case you were interested in it. It is really cute, but we're not going to talk about this one today. Today we're going to talk about this wig. This one is on my Amazon storefront as well. It's the same brand. However, this wig has the brown lace, the brown HD lace. Now this one I bought in a jet black, but the wig that I'm wearing now is in the color number 2. It's like a dark brown. It looks okay. It's different for me because I'm used to the jet black hair, and this is supposed to be more like wavy, like loose body waves, so we'll see. Now I've been wearing these wigs without any glue. I have not been gluing them down. I pretty much just cut off as much lace as possible and just throw it on and go. So this is the Stylish Invisible HD lace. The name of this one is Destiny. Again, I have it in the color 1. It's a jet black with the brown lace, and this one has brown lace as well. Now these wigs are synthetic and you can glue them down, but I've been choosing not to just because it's quicker and it's a lot easier for me. This is this wig straight out of the box. Again, you can see the color difference. I have right now a number 2 and this one is a jet black. And the lace is brown and transparent. And like all the other wigs, it has 2 combs in the front. There is a comb in the back. And this one has an elastic band instead of an adjustable strap. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off all the lace on this wig. And I'm going to pop this bad boy on. Adjust this part a little bit because it's not fitting to my hair. This is my favorite mousse. I mentioned it in my last video. It's still amazing. This definitely made my makeup go from everyday to full glam. This is really nice. And that's it. That's really it. Like, it's done. Like, do I need to say anything else? Oh, I love a good easy wig. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is giving first lady. Let me show y'all the back. Good side view. No, like I said, I didn't glue it down. You can glue that down if it bothers you, but I don't care. And this does have 6 inches of parting space, so you could part it on a different way. But I'm really liking it in the side part that it came in. But I'll show y'all the middle real quick. I don't know how that will look. Middle, kind of. I really don't want to ruin the part. And then you can also part it on the other side if you want. So you can get multiple wears, multiple uses out of this wig, and I just love how easy it was. All I had to do was cut the lace off, brush it a little bit, and throw it on. Well, I did have to adjust the part to my face, but really that was it. And I messed up the part again. There we go. It looks good, right? Yeah, it does. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much, that's it. Like, this video is not long at all because this wig is like super easy. And again, this one is under $50 too, just like the other 2 wigs that I tried on. And you can wear them for a pretty long time. I've actually been wearing the first one interchangeably, and the one that I just had on I wore for a week, but I had to change it up. And it still looks good. I'm probably gonna wear this one for like a week, another week as well. Need I say any more? The link is in my Amazon storefront. You are welcome. Anyway, that is it. Thank you for, checking out this video. If you like these kind of videos, definitely subscribe to my channel and give this one a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about this wig or any of the other wigs that I've tried. And you know what? If you have any recommendations for really good Amazon wigs, synthetic or human, let me know. Comment in the comment section below because I'm definitely going to be checking out some more. Anyway, thank you again and have a wonderful day.